Whether you use Zoom, Skype, or Microsoft Teams, the webcam on your home PC or laptop device has probably never been as active as it during this pandemic. Most of us have a camera built in our phone, tablets, laptops, or desktop webcam we use for work, study, or virtual socializing. Unfortunately, this privilege can leave us vulnerable to an online attack known as camfacting. This is when hackers take control of your webcam remotely. They do this by disabling the on light, which usually indicates the camera is active, so victims are not the visor. Many of our device cameras remain unsecured. In fact, researchers have suggested globally there are more than 15,000 web cameras devices, which is readily accessible to the hackers without even needing to be hacked. Take a tip from Mark Zuckerberg. When your laptop is turned off, its webcam cannot be activated. However, many of us have our laptop in hibernation or sleep mode. In this case, the device can be broken by a criminal and the camera turned off. Even Mark Zuckerberg has admitted he covered his webcam and masked his microphone. The number of recorded instances of image captured through an authorized webcam access is relatively low. This is because most attacks happen without the user ever realizing they have been compromised. Thus, these attacks can go unaccounted for. It's important to consider why someone would choose a hack into your home device. It is unlikely an attacker will capture image of you for personal blackmail or their own creepy exploits. While these instances do eventuate, the majority of illicit webcam access is related to gathering information for financial gain. Cyber criminals frequently attempt tricking people into believing they have been caused by a webcam hack. Every day, there are thousands of spam emails sent in a bid to convince users they have been caused on camera. But why? Shaming people for inappropriate webcam use in this way is a scam, one which generates considerable ransom success. Many victims pay up in fear of being publicly exposed. Most genuine webcam hacks are targeted attacks to gather restricted information. They often involve tech-savvy corporate groups carrying out intelligence gathering and covert image capturing. Some hacks are acts of corporate espionage, while others are the business of government intelligence agencies. There are two common techniques used in camfacting attacks. The first is known as RAT, Remote Administration Tool, and the second takes place through the false remote tech support offered by malicious people. Genuine remote tech support usually comes from your retail service provider. We trust our authorized tech support people, but you should not extend that trust to a friend you hardly know offering to use their own remote support software to help you with a problem. An example of RAT is a Trojan virus delivered through your emails. This gives hacker internal control of a device. When a Trojan virus infects a device, it's not just the webcam that is remotely accessed. It's the whole computer. This means access to file, photos, banking, and a range of data. The ability to install a RAT has been around for several years. In 2015, a popular RAT could be purchased on the internet for just $40. The malware can be deployed via an email attachment or flash drive. Those wanting to learn how to use such tools need look no further than the YouTube, which has many tutorials like you can subscribe our channels. It has never been easier for hackers. Our homes are getting smarter each year. In 2018, the average Australian household reportedly had 17 connected devices. Let's say there's 1 or 2 laptops, 3 or 4 mobile phones and tablets, a home security camera system and a smart TV, and a built-in camera for a facial recognition. Add a remote video doorbell, a talking doll named My Friend Kalia, the drone helicopter you got for Christmas, and the robot's toy that follow around the house. And it's possible your household has more than 20 IP accessible cameras. To better understand your vulnerabilities, you can try a product like Sodal. This search engine allows you to identify which of your device can be seen by others through an internet connection. Practice cyber hygiene at home. Placing a piece of black tape over a camera is now simple, low-tech solution for webcam hacking. Turning your laptop or desktop computer off when not in use and is also a good idea. Don't let a device hibernation, sleep or low power mode lure you into a false sense of safety. At work, you may have firewalls, antivirus and intrusion detection system provided by your company. Such protections are void for more of us. When working from home, cyber hygiene practice will help secure you from potential attacks. Always use secure password and avoid recycling malware. So, make sure your antivirus and operating system is regularly updated. Most of all, use common sense. Don't share your password, including your home Wi-Fi password. Don't click suspicious link and routinely clear your device of unnecessary apps. When it comes to using webcams, you may wonder if you have ever completely safe. This is hard to know, but rest assured that there are steps you can take to give useful a better chance. So guys, I hope you have liked this video. So make sure that you have subscribed our channel.